If you're in Victory with Ash, you probably know that Mr. Mufara left everybody a note in one of the WhatsApp groups that he has. And it was really, really good. He talked about what it's going to look like moving forward, patterns, structures, system, all those things. But the one key word that I took from everything was transformation. And it's really important to understand this word and what it means to each and every one of us. Transformation. In other words, you're changing. We're going from the old to the new. And as we go into the new, you need to be better. Transformation. And again, if you're not transforming, if you're not getting better, you're moving back. And if you're moving back, you're losing ground. We don't want anybody to lose ground. So I did have a couple of things I wanted to talk about as far as the note that Mr. Mufara left us. You know, he talked about patterns, and when you have patterns, you can make a decision. And when you make a decision, that's a really, really big deal. You've looked at the patterns, you've looked at the systems, you've looked at the structure, and you've made a decision, yeah, I'm going to come in and I am going to do this. And that's a really, really good thing. But here's the thing about decisions. If you make a decision and something that happens that maybe you didn't expect would happen, that decision can be changed, and it can be changed in major ways. Maybe you go in a totally different direction because of something that happened. So patterns and decisions, they're really, really important, but the one thing you need with all of that is resolve. Resolve's a really, really big deal. I don't know if you've heard this phrase or not. Maybe you have. Do it or die. That is resolve. And maybe you've heard that from someone. I don't know. You can think about that a little bit. So patterns, decisions, and then resolves. Do it or die. And basically what you're saying is, this is going to get done. I am going to get this done. This is going to happen in my life. And then whatever that mental picture is in your mind, those things are going to happen for you and to you. That is resolve. And resolve's a really, really big deal. I've been following Mr. Mufara for 8 years, almost 8 years. You think there's a little resolve there? Oh yeah, there's a lot of resolve there. But I can tell you, as I think about the patterns, the decisions, the resolve, there's one thing that's more important than all of it. And that one thing is energy. You really have to have the energy to persevere over time, regardless of what happens. And if you don't have that positive energy, that excitement about life and what's going on with your life, it's really, really hard to have the resolve you need to stick with anything you think about. You know, when we think about patterns, decisions, when we think about structure, when we think about systems, those things are really, really important, but that's the mechanics of what we do. They're not hard to do. I can teach anybody how to do what we do. You know, when you think about systems, there is a system out there for whatever personality you are, and it will work. Systems are very, very easy to learn and really put into play. Resolve is a different thing. It's hard. It's really, really hard. And if you don't have the energy, the positive energy to keep that resolution that you have, it's hard to stay in a place of peace and really good mindset. I'll give you a couple of examples. Resolve energy. Have you ever known a person, and they're probably a decent person, that when they come into the room, just a cloud of doom comes over the room, and you can feel it. Not only that, but your energy, it just leaves you. It's just gone, and you're going, what just happened? And it's what the person brings to a certain situation. It's just doom and gloom. I do not stay there. I never stay there. And if that happens, I leave the room. I don't need that. Life is too good. We're in too good a position. There are too many great things happening right now to even think about a negative attitude or that gloom and doom. Here's where you can go. Have you ever thought about that first date you had? with someone you really, really cared about, you wanted to get to know, you wanted to be with, guy or gal, and it happens. And you go on that first date, and it is just glorious. And the mental attitude is just off the chart. You just feel great. The attitude is positive. You're in a good place. That's where you want to be. That's where you want your energy to be. That's where you want to focus on. That's what you want to focus on. And you want to get there, and you want to stay there. Mr. Mufara is starting to come out with different points, different things that are going to be happening. Transformation is one of those things we all want to happen. We want to get better. You know, over the last 8 years that I've been with Mr. Mufara, have I sat in my chair and just waited for Mr. Mufara to do whatever he's going to do? No, I haven't. I've continued to learn. I've continued to move forward. I've continued to look at different concepts. I've continued to listen to Mr. Mufara and take what he's giving us and put it in perspective. I think we're in a really, really great place right now. Yeah, it's been 8 years. I know that. It's a long time. I know it. But the resolve and the energy is so high right now. If you actually understand what Mr. Mufara is doing, if you read the note that he put out there, if you understand where he's going, yes, he wants each and every one of us to change. And I know people get stuck on the systems and what they're going to do and how they're going to do it. Don't worry about that stuff. The systems are easy. They really are. They're easy to teach. They're easy to learn. And anybody can do this. Mr. Mufara is bringing out something so unique that when you think about strategy, when you think about systems, when you start to think about those things, you're going to look at it and go, oh, yeah, this is somewhere where I want to be, and this is something I want to do. Why? Because it'll change your life. And I'm not just talking about the money. You know, when you get in a place where you're confident about what you're doing and confident about sharing what you're doing with individuals and helping change their lives, it's just a really, really great place to be. Patterns, really important. Systems, really important. Structure, really important. The decision you made, really, really important. But having that resolve and keeping the energy that you need it's just priceless. You need to learn how to do that. Go to that first date. Go to that, whatever it is, that first thing you did that was just really exciting and it got you up and you just feel great about it. That's where you want to be, because that's what we're stepping into. That is the transformation we're making. And as Mr. Mufara comes out with more things, and he comes out with phase 2, and he comes out with the business, and you look at it, the excitement level that you're going to have should match your energy, where you are and how you're feeling. There are a lot of people right now within Victory with Ash and some of the groups that Mr. Mufara has put together. They're there. They have that resolve. And my only suggestion is keep the energy high, keep the resolve, because we are closer than we've ever been. And Mr. Mufara, he is coming out with tidbits of information. Do I know how much longer it's going to be? I don't. I really don't. Could be a day, could be a year. I don't know. Mr. Mufara, he's going to tell us that. And when he does, believe me, wherever your energy level is now, it's going to increase and increase and increase. That's it for today, guys. It's 2026, the year of our Lord. It's the 23rd, and it's a weekend. Have a great weekend. Think about some of the things I've said. We will all get there. Don't worry about the patterns. Don't worry about the decisions. Don't worry about the structure. Don't worry about any of those things that maybe you're not quite sure of. You're going to get there, and you're going to get there sooner rather than later. So that's it for today, guys. Just have a great weekend, and from there, we'll absolutely see everybody on the inside. Bye.